The father yanks on the leash and again comes sauntering out in a black S&M outfit, leather mask and all, carrying a big boombox in one hand and a large silver case in the other. Again shuffles over to the other side of the office, takes the infant from the mother, plugs in the boombox, and opens up the case, takes out one CD, inserts it into the boombox, and in comes Green Peppers by Herb Alpert and the Tijuana Brass. As soon as the music starts, all the family save for their father goes on their knees. The father takes off all of his clothes and is fully erect. He proceeds to cocksmack each family member, each with a smile in their face. This warm-up continues until the next song again plays, which is A Hard Rain's Gonna Fall by Bob Dylan, at which point the cocksmacking ceases and the rest of the family strip. The son is bent over sucking on the nipples of his sister, and out of nowhere his father rails right into him, causing the son to bite one of his sister's nipples off, spits it at the agent, for a souvenir, and blood starts to squirt. While this is all going on, the mother is going at it by herself right in front of the agent's desk with a letter opener that was on his desk, and she's getting messy on her own. Occasional squirts of blood hit the agent's unimpressed stare. Meanwhile, the father is reaming his son so hard that it's actually building up pressure inside the son, who is now sucking one of his sister's nipples and licking the open wound where her other nipple was. The son lets out a horrible fart followed by a long burst of diarrhea onto his father's abdomen, but after the shitstream, his son's internal organs start pouring out his ass, until the son is hunched over with no chest, and a wad of wet organs in the floor coming out of his smelly Cheerio. Music changes to the Beatles' Something. The father slides in the floor to his wife, whose pussy looks like a bloody mess. They share an intimate gaze, and then the father bends over in front of his wife and proceeds to shit on her face. She's rubbing it all over her face, offering some to the agent, who quietly declines. The daughter is now sucking the son off, while at the same time shoving his internal organs back through his prolapsed asshole. The gimp is sitting down feeding the baby a bottle. The father and mother switch places, and now the mother is pissing and dripping cunt blood in the father, who is singing along with George Harrison something in the way she moves. The gimp puts the baby down and switches CDs. The next track that comes on is Bad Company's Feel Like Making Love, and this is when the show gets really good. The father and his one-nippled daughter start going at it, slow at first to go along with the music, but they get quite vicious during the song's chorus. The mother takes the baby from the gimp and sticks the baby's head up the outstretched asshole of her son. She then gets under the child and starts sucking on the infant's tiny cock, while her son jerks off, while watching his father and sister screwing. Next song, Let the Good Times Roll by the Cars. The gimp walks into the middle of the action and takes off the outfit to reveal Grandma, who has no jaw, and a horrifying set of extremely saggy breasts. She gets on her knees and relieves her grandson of what he was doing by using drool that is just falling off of her tongue. The baby's head slowly oozes out of his older brother's asshole and hits the ground with a thud muffled by the music. Grandma picks up the baby and starts licking the shit and blood off the child's face, and the older son's organs fall out completely, leaving a pile of organs and a pile of skin and bones. The final song comes on, Cinderella's Don't Know What You've Got Till It's Gone. The mother starts taking her son's bones and uses them to build a cross, which she then crucifies her own baby with. Grandma goes into her silver case and pulls out a pair of small bolt cutters. The father snaps his daughter's neck and continues fucking her in the ass. He stops and drags his daughter to the center of the room, where the grandmother holds the daughter's body upside down. The mother sticks the crucified baby in the daughter's cunt, and the baby is crying. The father takes the bolt cutters and starts cutting off the fingers in the right hand of the baby. Each one pops off and the mother catches each one in her mouth. She then spits them at the agent. The father moves on to the left hands, fingers fly and mom catches them and spits them out. Grandma drops the daughter, and mother, father and grandma all take a bow at the end of the song and go tada.